What's going on, Fearless Gang? So today we're going to be making a tropical trap type beat. We're going to make a really simple melody and put some powerful trap drums on it and build a whole song out of this. So let's jump right into it. Alright, we're going to start building this out now. So we're starting with the pluck sound. So I might totally run this beat with just that lead, but I'm also going to try to find like some pad noise to put with it, and then we can always get rid of it. Alright, so I'm just going to leave this melody, and then I added some beach noise that I have here with like some seagulls and stuff like that. So I just put that in the background with the other one, and we're going to rock with that. So this is what it's sounding like. Alright guys, so now that I got a cool pattern down, what I'm going to do is actually duplicate this hi-hat. So we got the same MIDI, same sample and everything, but in the first one what we can do is we can like get rid of this. And then we're going to do something pretty cool, and then we'll get rid of this fast part down here as well. So we'll just have this playing, and then the other one we're going to have the exact opposite. But what we're going to do on this is we're going to go into the settings, and we're going to turn up this random pan super crazy, so that those notes in particular pan around really fast. So let's see how this sounds. Alright guys, just a little update here. I went in and I made some like little perk snare sounds right here at the very beginning in the intro, just to make it a little interesting and unique. I also added in some drum fill. I found like a little drum fill thing I like to use, and I chopped it up a little bit. Just made this quick little drum fill. Sounds like this. And then I also got a little riser sound to kind of go with it into the drop there. So I put those risers and those fills every time the drop gets reintroduced, so that it creates that little bit of tension. So I also put this little transition in here just to help things transition along in the build up. So this is what that sounds like. All right, let's hear this bad boy. Alright guys, this concludes the video. Got a little tropical trap beat that's just banging in there. Hope you guys liked that one. Smash the like button if you did. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we're dropping daily videos and you're not going to want to miss out on them. But besides that, I'll be catching you guys again in the next one. Peace out.